Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add page on Google Docs mobile. So here I've already on the apps and I'm going to open a file. So let's say I want to add a new page on this file. So what you need to do first is click on the pencil icon to be able to edit the file, and here you can't see the end of the page. So what you need to do is click on the change the view. Just click on the three dots icon and change the view into the print layout. So click on a circle until it turns to blue and it will go like this. I'm going to go to the end of the page, and in here I'm going to add a new page. So I put the cursor at the end and just do this until you find the plus icon at the top. Click on that, scroll down and click on page break. Click on that, and here the new page will be created. Okay, so that's the simple tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please do click on a thumbs up icon, click thanks below, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.